So, West Ham United 2, Arsenal 2. Back-to-back 2-0 leads, wasted, squandered, thrown in the bin. 4 points dropped when you're down to single digits games left. You've dropped 4 points from 2-0 leads in both games. Okay. We're going to dissect this one. Yeah, because I'm seething. You've had a whole week. Cool. Smash the like button. Big up to everybody who does do that. I do appreciate it. Sub to my second channel as well, people. I want to get that to 10K by the end of next week. It's on nearly 9.5. Lee Reacts. Go and check that out. The link is in the description. Make sure you are sharing the content around. Sub to this one as well. Nearly on 78K. So thank you very much. But thank you to everyone who watched the watch along as well. And the watch along. Let's start with the game. Let's start with this watch along, because I'm thinking, right. I've seen a lot of people saying I'm negative because I said heads need to roll. Even some numpty Spurs fan who sounds like his nose is bunged up on TikTok. Oh, you should be enjoying it. You should be happy you're in the title race. And I said if heads need to roll if we don't win the league, right? That's still the case, because we took Thomas Partey off today, which I'm going to come to in a bit. In fact, no, we'll come to it now. We took Thomas Partey off today, and we brought Jorginho on. Cool, no drama with that. But what if we were bringing on Caicedo? Would it have been the same? I don't know. Thomas Partey was shocking today. First 20 minutes, I thought he was class. And then, I don't know what happened. It was almost like he forgot how to play football. Absolutely disgusting performance from him. Martin Odegaard, by the way. Certain man out there are saying this is the best midfielder in the league. Good one, mate. Good one. How many reverse passes did he do today or try today that went nowhere? Doing that stupid little, let me reverse it over there, but look over there. Great when it comes off. Fantastic finish for his goal. What a goal. Great goal. Other than that goal, what did he do? Disappeared. The creative spark. How many was his scan rate today? What was his scan rate? Does anyone know the scan rate? Oh, yes. Martin Odegaard scanned the pitch against Fulham 493 times. Yes. He had a scan rate of 0.5. Tell me his scan rate in the last 2 games. Yeah. Shocking. That's our captain, yeah? Let's not forget that. He's our captain. Bukayo Saka, somebody explain to me how that guy stayed on for 95 minutes. Somebody explain to me why this guy don't get subbed. Shocking penalty, by the way. That was Mohamed Salah against Bournemouth all over again. Disgusting penalty. He's been poor as well the last 2 games. Why is it our whole team have been poor for a game and a half? Well, in fact, about a game and a half. Because for 40 minutes at Anfield, we were actually really good. For 9 minutes today, we were fantastic. Yeah, the goals were brilliant. Fantastic goals, fantastic play. Yeah, lovely movement. Peeling off the back stick. Odegaard, lovely finish. Yeah, Martinelli trying the outside of the boot passes, but then landed another one. Ben White with the pass to Jesus. What a ball. Like, we were looking great. And it's almost like we got them 2 goals. Then we sat there and went, well, that's it then. That's done. That's done. And I'm watching that second half and I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, this is almost like Arsenal have already won the league and we're just playing out the last game of the season. Like, what is going on here? When Thomas Partey plays bad, that whole team collapses, which is why heads need to roll. Because instead of signing Jorginho, why didn't we go and sign Caicedo? Why didn't we go and sign Declan Rice? Oh, but he wanted to stay and see the season out. Shut up. Offer him enough money and offer them enough money. He's coming. Everyone has a price. Everyone has a price. Yeah? So, Caicedo, what was his price? 100 mil? We'll pay it then. Because I say so now, that's us done today. That is us done. Done. Gabriel Magalhaes, what were you doing on your knees, mate? Like, what were you doing on your knees? And he tried to pull out. It was a bit too late for that, wasn't it? Why are you on the floor? What's that all about? Rob Holding, second half, just literally running around and around. The one where Antonio hits the bar, I think it was. Literally just running around and around in a circle like a lost puppy. Yeah, embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. Martinelli, other than the first 20 minutes, woeful. Absolutely shocking. Yeah, Ben White, I thought, played all right. Tierney, I thought played all right. Gabriel Magalhaes played all right. The goalkeeper had nothing to do. Other than that, the rest were crap. Let's just be real with it. Let's not dress this up. Yeah, and pick up the carpet and sweep it underneath. No, we don't do that on this channel. If you want that, AFTV are available, mate, and they'll probably be blaming the refs or Zinchenko injury, whatever it may be. On here, we speak facts and we speak the truth, and we say it as it is rather than playing up to cameras, yeah, to get the most likes and most views, yeah? But that performance was shocking. That is one of our worst performances under that manager. Not just this season, because we've had a couple of bad ones this season. Everton away, Man United away, Liverpool away, second half, Southampton away, who, ironically, we have next. Yeah, bad performance. And we are now 4 points ahead, and they've got a game in hand, City. They're going to win that game in hand. Ironically, that's against West Ham, yeah, who have been the whipping boys of the league. Newcastle banged 5 past them. Brighton banged 4 past them. Man City will score at least 4. 100% they're scoring at least 4. Yeah, and I'm sitting there and I'm like, somebody show me something. Do something. We need a goal. And you take off Gabriel Jesus. You take off Gabriel Jesus to bring on Trossard when Saka's done nothing for 2 games. This guy can dribble. He can be a threat. He can actually create madness and bedlam in the box and around the box. And you're sitting there taking off Jesus when you need a goal. Weird substitution. But another one, because it weren't the worst of the day, Kieran Tierney off for Fabio Vieira. Please somebody explain that to me. Please leave that in the comments. Why did you take Tierney off? He can cross the ball. You've just brought Reece Nelson on, so we can overlap him. He's our best defender. I think we see that again today with some of the tackles he made. The one on Jared Bowen was elite. Yeah, I think we've seen that again today. And he'll get up and down that left-hand side. And you decided, let me take Tierney off and bring on Teabag, who ain't played for how long? When was the last time he played? Was it Villa? I think it was Villa the last time he played, right? When was the last time he actually played a game? And you decided to say, yeah, where's Smith Rowe? Is he alive? Then you bring Eddie on in stoppage time. Like, what's he going to do? What's he going to do? It makes no sense. His substitutions, his game management, in-game management, and his man management are gutter level. And I've been saying this since he got the job. Yeah. But because we're in a title race this season, I've zipped it and I'm enjoying being in a title race. But let me tell you right now, that's done. Seen enough of them in the last 2 games to know we ain't coming back from that. We ain't coming back from that. We look devoid of ideas. We look lost. We start off so great. Why can't we keep that energy going? Yes, we kept that energy for 10 minutes. Why couldn't we keep that going? Why? That's an arrogance. Yeah, and then people come back to, oh, it's a young squad. Nobody mentioned young squad when we're winning games. Nobody mentioned Saka's age until he drops a stinker. Erling Haaland's 1 year older than Bukayo Saka, or maybe they're the same age. He scored 47 goals this season. Nobody's mentioned how old he is. It's only a tool used to protect a player when he has a bad performance. Oh, but it's a young squad. It's a young manager. I'm telling you right now, yeah, if we was to sack him right now, and people are going to cry about this, but if we, and it's not going to happen, but if we was to sack this manager right now and go and get Ancelotti if he was available right now, dealing in hypotheticals, obviously, I think we'd win the league. We ain't winning it now. Them 2 games have absolutely shafted us. Yeah, and you have to be near perfect in that last 10 games because you know City are going to come and come and come. That's what they do. That's why they rotate their squad, and that's why they have little blips at the start of the season because then they, boom, money end of the season, trophy end of the season, and they go for it. Yeah, so they have their little blip, and they have everyone fit. Why do they always have a fit squad? The whole squad is fit towards the end of the season. Why? Because they want to challenge for every single trophy. We don't. Bigger fish to fry, yeah? Cool. I think the fish is cremated. Yeah, the fish is cremated, mate. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Yeah, and I'm baffled. I'm absolutely baffled by his subs at Anfield, by his subs today. Just, nah. It was fun while it lasted. And I was super hopeful that we could win the league. We might still win it. Nah. We couldn't afford to drop points there today. So when people were sitting there on their Twitter accounts and all these other accounts going, oh, it's a must-win game. It's a must-win game. Oh, really? Okay, well, we didn't win. So what repercussions are happening then? Now we didn't win after you said it's a must-win. Now what do you want to happen then? Because somebody needs to be held accountable then. So what do you want to happen? Well, nothing's going to happen, is it? So it's not a must-win game then. So shut up. These people are the reason this club's in the gutter and has been for 19 years anyway. Absolutely buried this football club. And whilst it's been great, we're in a title race, it's done. You can't afford to drop 2 points in 2 games in a row from 2-0 leads. When was the last time? Somebody tell me this in the chat if you get to the end of this video, yeah? Somebody, this is moving mad buggy as well. Somebody tell me this. When was the last time Pep Guardiola, if ever, was leading 2 games back-to-back by 2 goals and didn't win either? Let me know. Let me know in the comments section. I'm out of here. Kenny Ken's at the ground. We'll be doing his fan cam in a minute. Jez will be doing his, and then Matty, and then player ratings. But yeah, it's done. It's over. It's finished. It's finished. It's absolutely finished. Yeah, I've seen enough in them last 2 games to know they ain't won it. They ain't good enough. They're not good enough. It's been a great run. It's been fantastic to watch. But ultimately, our season's going to end the same as Spurs with 0 trophies. Adios. Ciao.